Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if the iPhone apps are crashing after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 26. Then here in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem if the apps are crashing on your iPhone device after updating it to the latest version iOS 26. So first of all, here you'll have to uninstall that app from here. Then after that, reinstall that app from App Store. Then after that, check that problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here you will have to restart your iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down, then press the power button until Apple logo appears. Then after that, check that problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next section. Again, open settings in your iPhone device. Then scroll down, then tap on general. Then here tap on software update and make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you're not using an updated version of iOS, then here you'll have to update your iPhone device to the latest iOS version. So after that, check the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then again open settings, then scroll down, then tap on general. Then here you'll have to scroll down here, then tap on iPhone storage. Then here you'll have to review all your data, photos, videos, and documents, then apps. Then after that, here you'll have to delete some unnecessary data from here. Then here you'll have to also review your apps, and here you will have to uninstall all unnecessary apps installed in your iPhone device. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if having still this problem, then here you'll have to again open settings, then scroll down all the way, then tap on apps. Then after that, here you'll have to search for Safari app. Here you will need to search for Safari app. So here is Safari, you need to tap on this. Then after that, here you'll have to scroll down. Then here you'll need to tap on clear history and website data. Then here you'll have to clear history, tap on this. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next section. Again, open settings, then scroll down, then tap on general. Then scroll down here. Then after that, here you'll have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then here tap on reset. Then here you'll have to tap on reset all settings. Then after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed and iPhone apps crashing problem will be fixed in your iPhone device. So that's it from this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.